Tracking progress for an object-oriented project. Now, in object-oriented project, the best way or the best framework is to use an iterative model, and the different milestone can be achieved, and that can be considered to be complete. That okay, this milestone, this milestone, this milestone, that is the tracking progress. So the technical milestone can be object-oriented analysis completed. That is the analysis part. So here the classes which we are going to employ and all the class hierarchy, we would have been defining it and reviewing it. The class attributes, each class attributes and operation have been defined and they are being reviewed. Then the class relationship, what relationship do the class have, hierarchy, etc. They have been established and reviewed also. And the behavioral model that has been created and reviewed, and the classes which we are reusing have also been noted down. So this marks the completion of the first milestone. So we can say that this first milestone is achieved, is completed. The second milestone will be the technical milestone of object-oriented design. So here the whole software will be divided, or the system will be divided into subsystem, and these subsystems, they are being divided and they are being reviewed. Then the classes are allocated to these subsystem which we have just defined and also being reviewed. Along with this, the task allocation, because the activity have to be decided and divided into the task, they are being done, and the responsibilities and collaborations have been identified. Also the attributes and operations, they are also being designed and reviewed, and the communication model between different parts, or you can say subsystems, this is also being created and being reviewed. Then comes the object-oriented programming milestone. So 2 milestones we have already completed. Now this means each new class we have actually coded it, implemented it, and the reuse library like the extracted class, this also have been implemented. The prototype or the increment is properly being built. Once this is done, the third milestone is completed. Then coming to the object-oriented testing. So the correctness and completeness of this object-oriented analysis and design models, this has been done. The CRC, that is the class responsibility collaboration network, this is developed and reviewed. The test cases are designed and the class level tests have been conducted for each class. Then the test cases are designed and the cluster testing is also completed and the classes are being integrated. And then the system level, final level of tests have been completed. This marks the end of the 4th milestone. This is how we track the progress of an object-oriented project.